Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Check out the sky. It's snow, 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 baby. Yeah, it's 14 December 2010, and it's still snowing, and it's not going to stop. I don't think it's ever going to stop. Lake effect snow living 1 hour south of Erie does this. We are actually supposed to get more snow here than Erie, and that's kind of strange, but yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get my happy little ass back in the house and drink my coffee and do nothing today. I'm not going anywhere in this shit. So, yeah. Yeah. God, I hate this snow. Anyway. Until next time, when it snows, I will be contacting you one more time. That never really makes sense, because my brain is starting to freeze. Okay, later, bye.